All right, let's talk about the best web hosting. I have been testing hosting providers for years, breaking sites, fixing them, migrating them, and paying for them with my own damn money. After all I went through, the goal of this video is simple: save you time, frustration, and most importantly, money. Let me tell you about web hosting that's actually worth using in 2026. Let's start with my golden boy, Hostinger. I have done more than one Hostinger review over the years, and somehow they keep getting better while staying, well, ridiculously affordable web hosting. However, it never feels cheap. The freebies you get, like domain name and automatic backups, well, yeah, you can look at those as industry standard nowadays, but free resource boosts or AI troubleshooting, it is hard to find elsewhere. And don't get me wrong, you don't need to boost your resources. See those NVMe storage drives? A faster version of SSD. Yeah, well, pair them with Lightspeed optimized servers, and performance-wise, Hostinger is among the fastest providers, but additional boosts are always appreciated. While Google recommends fully loading a website in under 2.5 seconds, Hostinger loading a demo website with content leaves that 2.5 second mark in the dust. And even then, this cheap web hosting provider goes out of its way to add speed tests in your control panel so that you can test sites and optimize them further. No one was forcing them to do so. Most other providers don't go that extra mile, but Hostinger seems to think about everything. What really makes me recommend Hostinger though is how easy it is to manage. Their AI website builder is included with all shared hosting plans, and the wild part is you can even use the Hostinger website builder inside WordPress. That alone removes so much friction for beginners. No need to get separate subscriptions just to try things out. And again, Hostinger goes the extra mile. Do you want to build a site with an AI builder, but then maybe move to WordPress for more control? Yeah, sure. It's a free feature. On top of that, you get a WordPress optimized setup with AI-assisted onboarding. There's AI support with Cody, which is actually pretty helpful. Plus, there's 24/7 human support when you need it. If you're searching for best AI web hosting, Hostinger offers the cheapest entry point for beginners. Now, it's not quite perfect. I mean, there's no phone support, which might annoy some people, boomers. And the dashboard can feel a bit slow at times, but considering the price, the features, AI implementation, performance, and the fact that I've got the best Hostinger coupon code, link in the description by the way, it is very hard not to recommend this provider. The second best web hosting provider is IONOS. This one surprised me over time. IONOS is all about simplicity, security, and honestly just raw value. If your budget's tight, like really tight, this is probably the cheapest way to get a site online for like a year or so. Yeah, you can see plans with unlimited resources going for $1 a month. It feels illegal somehow. There has to be a catch, right? Well, not really. There are no hidden fees for having more than 5 sites or other nonsense that you might expect. It's just hosting. The only thing are renewal prices, which increase, which is, well, pretty standard in the industry, and a few upsells in your dashboard. Again, industry standard practice. Then why is it in second place? Well, I said that Hostinger is the best provider for any beginner. IONOS is not perfect for that. You need to have at least a bit of experience managing hosting. It's not that the control dashboard is old or something, it's just a bit more confusing, having options kind of tucked away in weird places, and those upsells, well, it's really easy to avoid them when you know what to avoid. Honestly, the controls are probably quote unquote the worst part of IONOS, since it shines when it comes to security and business features. Free SSL, and no, not just simple SSL that other providers offer you. No. It is way more expensive wildcard SSL certificates, meaning it protects your domain and all subdomains, not just a single domain name. Oh. And there's also redundant storage, which means that your site is located on 2 separate storage drives. If something for some reason happens to one of them, or they experience technical issues, your site won't go down. It simply loads the backup and then fixes everything. And on top of that, you get not weekly, but daily automatic backups on all plans. That is a lot. They also offer optional personal consultants, tons of help articles, and you can separately improve your site resources, like for a growing online shop, for example. So for small businesses or projects that just need to exist reliably, IONOS is great. It brings insanely good value, but not quite as beginner friendly. That's why it is in second place. And of course, I've got your back with a massive IONOS discount, which you can find in the description down below. So we have the best web hosting for beginners, the best web hosting for small businesses, now for the best WordPress hosting. There's only one choice: Bluehost. Bluehost WordPress onboarding and extra tools is still one of the easiest ways to get started using this content management system. It comes with a WordPress website builder already installed, strong and reliable performance, daily automatic backups, a free content delivery network, and fast NVMe storage drives. That WordPress website builder is the best of both worlds in my opinion. Some other builders change the way you work with WordPress so much that it becomes confusing. Wonderblock simply adds way more elements and pre-made templates, so you're still using native WordPress tools, just betterer. Oh, and if you're more of an old school guy, Bluehost also allows you to manage your hosting through the good old cPanel. There's a few cons though. Just like with hosting, a Bluehost dashboard can be slow, and the renewal price jumps quite a bit after the first term. So it's not perfect, but it is the best WordPress hosting you can get at this price. And if you grab my discount link in the description, this price becomes even lower. All right, so to wrap up my best web hosting 2026 video, these are genuinely the best tools if you're starting out or if you want modern hosting without spending hundreds of dollars. Hostinger is hands down the best for beginners, offering some great AI tools and overall value. IONOS is perfect for small businesses or anyone on a super tight budget who still wants premium hosting. Bluehost is amazing for WordPress focused users who want something familiar and simple. If this helped you make your best web hosting pick, please leave a comment down below. Which did you pick and what made you choose it? Was it pricing, AI tools, performance? I constantly try to make these videos more and more useful for you, so all feedback's greatly appreciated. All right, you know the drill by now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, pet your dog, and do some yoga. And well, that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.